Hello, this video is for basic terrain mapper and new features. I this update is quite huge because I made lots of updates for this mapper. So first of all, I changed the buttons. So right now there's 7 possibilities what you can do with the basic mapper. So textures it's same, trees and details it's same. What I changed is object and add single object placer and multiple object placer. For objects there is better collision detection, collider detection. So if your prefab what you want to place around the terrain has some collider, it's better avoiding using physics raycasting. So now it's working much better. It's not 100% accurate, but it still gives much better results. New feature as a whole is single object placer. It works that you will select again some prefab. I will select, for example, this rock, and you will just place enable and right click, and you will place that rock. So it's very small, but you can see that I'm just pointing and pressing key R, and you are placing rocks where you want with some random rotation. So you can easily populate some object in correct position. Of course you can increase scale for this, it's very small. So it's one new feature, and another feature is multiple object placer. It will select how many objects at once you want to place. Sorry, amount is how many objects will be placed and how many different objects. So I will select, for example, 3, and for every object again you can select what will be placed, scale and rotation, and then you place according texture settings and its alpha map value according the map. So this is great advantage if, for example, you want to place all details at once, so you will just select. Another important, I think not important, but I think it's good behavior is in terrains. When you are copying some information, you can select what type of terrain, what type of information you will copy. So you can copy trees, details and textures. So every settings for that map you can copy to another, to not map, sorry, to terrain. But you can copy only trees, details, textures, or much better is that you will add trees from that terrain to current list. So for example, if you are making some multiple terrain, so you will say that these details will be in previous and also in this map, in this terrain, so you will just adding. So it's for much easier manipulation with terrain's information. So you can now choose easily, and it's better than to configure everything, so it's much better. I will show you how it works. So for example, this is height 26, so I will select as a source 25, target 26, and I will select only trees, and you can see the trees from the 25 are copied but not details. So I will put only details. Okay, so details is transferred from, but if I will make copy trees, details and texture, then I will lose this splat map information what is encoding in this map. So when I will do that, you can see that the whole terrain is changed because I replaced all 4 textures. So it now looks like terrain number 25 that is in green color. So you can easily replace all textures in this single click. So I think it's really cool when you are working with the terrain. So it's all. Thank you for watching.